So it's come to our attention that a video is due and will help assist new users or current users to be able to update their details. We're going to go over the user profile and how to fill it out and why to fill it out and how to become listed on the Find or Verify a Service Provider. Firstly, you're going to log into your account. Once you have landed on this page, you will go to, don't click on it, just hover over Member Dashboard, click Edit Profile. Once you're on your edit profile, you can see there's a whole bunch of details, even a profile picture that can be uploaded. Make sure that you obviously put your title, your first name, your last name, anything you see with the red star, you have to fill it out on the page. Make sure that you give yourself an account number, or don't give yourself an account number. You will be provided with account number, and make sure that you insert your account number there. Once you've done so, you can hit the save button. If you want to update your password, just select it, change it, take it out, put in your new password, confirm your new password, and then hit save. Once the page is saved, a little bar will come up on the top. We'll do it just now, just to show you. So here's your contacts. Here is where we put in our email addresses. This email address on this section, on this side, is the same as your username login. All right. I'm going to add just a fax number just to let you know how that works. And hit save. We wait a moment. And there we go. Thank you for your information has been successfully saved. Save before you go to each new tab. Address, make sure you fill out your address details and where, or details. These details will be listed on your Find a Service Provider page. So if you don't have anything listed here, it won't list there. Other details, it's about your practice and your position in the company. You'll see there's drop down options there. There's your employment practice type, and obviously your company name or your practice name, and which branch you belong to, and just put in your major town that you're within. Under qualifications, here you'll see there's a whole list of your qualifications from top to bottom. Just select what is applicable to you. Don't fill out anything that is not applicable to you. It's very important. And then to the right hand side, obviously you put your registration number that is corresponding to your professional type or training type or technologist type, technician type and training type. So now if you want to be listed on Find a Surveyor, you've got to make sure that Show as a Surveyor is selected. These details over here is the kinds of information that is going to show on the search for provider. So if I take off those details, only my contact number will show. If I select this details, being showing my physical address, my contact number and my physical address will show, and vice versa, that would only be my physical address will show. Make sure that you select one of these options that are in relation to you and that you agree by selecting the POPI Act to say that none of your information will be shared with any third parties and so on. Once you have done that and all is selected, obviously this one has to be selected, and the agree, you hit save. Only then will you show up on Find a Surveyor. If you do not do that, you will not show up on the Find a Service Provider. All right, I hope that helps.